We have with us Mr. Prabhakar Kerimala, who is the Senior Vice President Marketing International with us, and the entire Ralston team is excited to have ventured into the new commercial high performance market in Indian sector. So I request Mr. Prabhakar to unveil the tire, the new commercial high performance tire.
Months, we have more than 250 SKUs launched. Only United States alone, we have more than 150 SKUs launched, and Europe and Middle East, Latin, now India, put together, we have more than 250 SKUs launched. That's a phenomenal job, for someone who is new to this commercial car segment. But I'm very sure that it's just the beginning.
हाउ मेनी टायर बढ़ रहा है, हाईवे बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग बढ़ रहे हैं, और उसी तरीके से रोडों की जो मैपिंग है वो भी चेंज होती जा रही है, उनकी पॉलिसी भी चेंज हो जाती है, कभी कंस्ट्रक्शन है, कभी जामर का है, कभी तो उसके हिसाब से टायरों को किस तरह से मोबिलाइज करते हैं आप, उस समय के हिसाब से टायरों की चेकिंग 7 प्लाई 4 प्लाई इस तरीके से ग्रिपिंग वगैरह सीमेंटेड रोड पर ग्रिपिंग नहीं हो पा रही। हाउ डू यू मेक देम गुड फॉर ऑल terrains?
I mean, it won't be an all-terrain tire. There is definitely a highway tire. For example, this is an on-off tire. Used in construction, used in quarries, used in different applications. Now, this is a proper highway drive tire. Then you have another. This is a drive tire. You have that is a steer and all position tire. So that there are different applications, different position of the truck, and we right now have solution for most of the positions as well as applications. And as we said, we will be making customized solutions across. So we will be very happy to introduce continuously new products to new markets. So the car manufacturers doesn't come in the picture right now. However, yes, the focus on OEMs will be there always. So we will be having certain association with OEMs to put our tires on the commercial vehicles.
So my name is Prabhakar Kerimala. I'm Senior Vice President International Business.
What is the Ralston tire strategy of new policy and new maker tire company?
So again, Ralston has entered into this commercial tire segment as a new entrant, but we want to be a very significant player from India in the global market, considering the global political, geopolitical scenarios and economic situation. The global markets are looking at India to give effective solutions, and we would like to be a part of that journey, and we are already done some very good steps in this direction, and Ralston would be one of the important players from commercial tire segment from India.
But the policy of giving elevation and policy for environment policy?
So sustainability is one of the key factors to set up 100% green facility. So we have implemented a lot of new technologies which will decrease the carbon footprint. Like I said, we have adopted nitrogen curing, which is actually you use very less water. Usually you use a lot of water to generate steam which cures the tire. But if you mix nitrogen, then the usage of water reduces by 90%. So you are saving a lot of water. So that is one of the great initiatives. And in the whole technology what we adopted, we also worked on reducing the scrap. Another very big carbon footprint comes from tire industry is the scrap generated by the industry. So today already we are at the lowest of the industry standard, and we want to minimize it in continuous process.
How many type of tire? How many type of tire? How many type of tire?
So right now as a,
All manufacturing.
in India,
All in India.
so in India you have the big four, and then you have Michelin,